Hello mga kababayan and others! I am out super early today because I am going on an adventure and I am taking you with me. It's funny because I would never willingly get up this early for work.
Really, nigga?
Anyway, as I have mentioned, we are going on an adventure today and we are going to Chichibu in Saitama Prefecture. Let's go! Bye! We are 30 minutes behind schedule because I missed the first train. I didn't know I had to buy a different ticket for this train. We are going to be there 9:50. See you when we get there. 2 hours away from the bustling cities of Tokyo lies its next-door neighbor Saitama. Although not a top tourist destination, Saitama Prefecture is blessed with lots of natural wonders that are surely worth visiting. It is a great place to experience nature and take part in different outdoor activities. For this trip, we are going to visit the towns of Nagatoro and Chichibu in Chichibu district. We only have limited time today and we are already 30 minutes behind schedule, but we will still try to do and see as much as we can. Let's start! Right now, we are in Nagatoro. Nagatoro is one of the rare spots of actual nature near Tokyo. It offers a retreat into the mountains and rivers where you can enjoy boat tours, rafting, hiking, and more. To start off, we are going to the Hodosan Shrine. It is located at the foot of Mount Hodo or Hodosan. History says that Hodosan Shrine is founded when the prince enshrined the gods of mountain and fire and the divine dogs after they helped him escape a forest fire in the year 110. Because of its origin, Hodosan Shrine has traditionally been a place where people come visit to pray for protection against natural disasters. On to our next stop, the Nagatorogura. It is a family-owned sake brewery founded in 1728. Using the natural water and rice of Saitama, they brew different kinds of sake. They have observation windows where you can watch the brewing process. And they also have a cafe and a shop where you can buy souvenirs. Unfortunately, there aren't people in there doing the brewery process, so we weren't able to see it. But still interesting, huh? And it's still too early for sake too, so I just bought one that I can drink later. Cute! It's blue. We are supposed to be going to this shaved ice store that is famous here in Nagatoro, but it's really cold today and we are running late, so we're gonna skip that one and we're going to our next destination. For our next stop, the Arakawa River. This river is famous for the whitewater rafting during the warmer season and the river cruises offered by several boat operators, which is recommended during fall. I really don't have much time today, so I just sat here and relaxed and enjoyed this breathtaking view. This is going to be our last stop here in Nagatoro, and this is where I am most excited about. I just love being this close to nature. Good thing about here in Japan is they respect silence. They respect the nature, so even when there are a lot of people, you can still have your peace. It's so beautiful here! So So that was it for Nagatoro. I was supposed to only just go to Chichibu today, but squeezing out some time to go here is totally worth it. Now we are off to the town of Chichibu. It is going to be a 40-minute train ride from here. It is supposed to be only just 25, but we are riding the Paleo Express today! Yay! The Paleo Express is one of the few remaining operational steam locomotive trains in Japan, and it is the closest one from Tokyo City. This train only do one return trip per day during weekends and holidays only. Check on the description box for more information. That was a fun train ride. Now we are here in Chichibu. Chichibu is the largest town in Saitama Prefecture. It is surrounded with mountains, parks, fields filled with beautiful flowers, and it is breathtaking. It is said that in Chichibu, the land is more suited to grow buckwheat than rice, so buckwheat soba is a traditional food here. Since it's lunchtime and I am starving, let's go find some soba! Soba is a thin Japanese noodle made from buckwheat. It is either served cold with a dipping sauce or hot in a noodle soup, kind of like ramen. And now that we're all fueled up, we are going go-karting! The Hitsujiyama Park. This park is famous for the Shibazakura Hill. In this park, the small flowers spread over a hill with the majestic Mount Buko in the background. Sadly, this is going to be our last destination here in Chichibu, and to end this very tiring day, and that is it for this video. There are still a lot more to see and do here in Saitama, let alone Chichibu, but unfortunately we only had today, so I guess we'll leave those for next time. I hope you guys enjoyed this trip as much as I did. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do hit that subscribe button as well. See you on my next video. Bye!